Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Alex Builds. Today we're going to have issue 41 of Build Hashx Partworks, The Ship the Legend, Build the Titanic. Yes, it's been a long time since I've done this build. It's been probably about 3 years since I've done this, so it's been quite a while. So I do have a bit of catching up to do. So let's take a look at what we're doing.
Issue 41, here is the magazine. It's been a while since we did one of these Titanic videos, but we'll try and catch up with what we've done. So we're building the forward boat, deck and bridge. So these are all the parts we get here. I can see we're going to be installing these two lights, both one for either side. Could test the lights as well. So we need our little tester, and then we're going to be installing some decking at the back.
So as you can see, not too much to do today. So yeah, let's just get the parts out of the packaging and start building.
So this is our decking piece here, as you can see. So let's put that to the side for a second. We're going to bring in the lights. So the way we can tell the lights apart is one has an L on it, the other one has an M on it. We're going to be fitting the one with the L on it first, so that is this one here. So that is going to want to go just here, so we want it facing down, and we're just going to push that into place, just there, just like that. So that is the first one done, and as you can see, we've got this little trail here. We're going to feed the cable into there and down through this hole. So it's like a little tab thing. You have to click it under. Probably better to use tweezers for this. Just make sure that goes right under there and make sure it stays in the track. Just like that. And we can feed this one down. It's going to go through this hole here. So we can push that through there. So one more tab. Nope. That's going to sit in there just like that. So now we can do exactly the same on the opposite side. This time we're going to use the one labelled M. So again, we want that facing down. Push that onto there, and then we're going to put that back under the tabs and feed it through there again. So once you're done, you should have something that looks a little like that. The cables coming out the back. So now we're going to want to test these lights, make sure they work. So we've got a tester. I've put fresh batteries in because these have been sitting in this tester since I last did the Titanic, like 3 years ago, whenever it was. I'm just going to turn that over, plug this in. As you can see, that light there does come on. Let's plug in the other one. And that light does come on as well. So now it's just to install the decking. So we need this little bit of decking here, and what we're going to do is we're just going to lay this down. It's going to go across there like that, so we can peel it off and stick it down. So again, line up the holes, and then just feed it across and push it down. So when you've done that, that is what you should have. Mine is just lifting up a little bit there, but once I put the little part that goes in there, that will hold that down. But yeah, that is all there is to do in this stage.
There you are, guys. Nice, quick and easy one just to get us back in the swing of things. Yeah, we'll follow this up with a slightly longer one in the next couple of days. So make sure you look out for that. If you like this video, please leave your like down below. And if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you all next time. Take care.